My name is Dr. Noah Manyika, a full-blooded Zimbabwean who, like many in my generation, used to walk to school without shoes, used to study by candlelight, all the while believing that a better day would come when we would all live out our hopes and dreams in a free Zimbabwe. Our goal at Build Zimbabwe is not to make citizens aware of what they already know, but to remind every Zimbabwean that it is not possible to exercise publicly the constitutional rights we cannot exercise privately. The place to begin your civic engagement is in your home, with your family and friends, and your social network. The purpose of the Build Zimbabwe video and audio messages is to equip you for that. It's going to be very, very important going forward to educate yourself on your rights. Read our Constitution, which is the supreme law of our land, and do everything in your power to ensure that you and those in your circle of influence are registered to vote. When the time comes, exercise your right to vote as an informed citizen. Reject with your vote those who endlessly promise to protect our sovereignty from imaginary enemies but are responsible for destroying our country. With that same vote, put in their place in 2018 the citizen builders who are not afraid to listen to the voices of the people, but are committed to engage the skills of the millions of Zimbabweans who are willing and ready to build our nation. This is Dr. Noah Manyika, and my prayer is that as you listen to these messages, you would understand the urgency of the moment and how much Zimbabwe needs you to play your part to bring about the change that we need. In the words of civil rights activist John Lewis, if not us, then who? If not now, then when? This is the time to build Zimbabwe. Is there not a cause?